Greetings. We hope you're receiving this transmission from Camp Nature Boy. We are having a great deal of difficulty with solar radiation and had to request assistance from the Iowa Space Command to relay our messages to Earth. We are urging all citizens of Kansas to descend on Kansas City and attend the comic book convention. Seek out the Candlelight Press boys. Buy their books. Spend lots of money. We want to thank the Candlelight Press people for their shipment of wieners. They are delicious. Thank you. And greetings from Camp Nature Boy. This is all.